slime and I bang it up. We banging a window. It's red and we pour it up. My diamonds, they glowing up. She waiting, she wanna fuck. Be patient, I'm counting up.
Alright, what is up guys? Michael with RV Sub back here once again. And today we're going to be looking at this Heron Preston hoodie from Vlixco Luxury. It's a new site. Decided to try it out and see what's popping because I did get requested to do it a couple of times. So yeah, man, I got two pieces from them. I got this, the Heron Preston hoodie, and a Fendi hoodie, if not a sweatshirt. I think it was just, yeah, I think it was a Fendi hoodie. But yeah, so let's just take a look. If you guys are new to the channel, before I get into this, this can be used as a legit check video, whatever you guys want. But yeah, so overall, this does look like a really great quality hoodie. I know I've heard a lot of good things about this website. So, you know, finally decided to give myself, you know, a go with it. But yeah, so I don't really know what else to say. If you guys are new to the channel though, make sure to hit that subscribe button if you like what you see. Show some love. Drop a like on the video, turn on notifications, and also follow my Instagram. Link will be in the description. So with all that being said, let's just get right into it. Shipping was about a week after a process. There was a little bit of a delay because I guess the owner was having his wedding. Again, man, congrats to you for getting married, all that stuff. That's definitely a big step in life, honestly. But yeah, so let's just get right into it. This is a Heron Preston hoodie. Like I said, shipping is about a week via DHL. There was custom fees as I always get with DHL to Canada, which was about $24. If you order with EMS, which may take like about a week to get to you, you usually don't have any custom fees. But yeah, regardless, let's just not make this video too long, get right into it. So yeah, this is the website. So it is vlixco.net. I think I'm pronouncing that right, hopefully. To this day I still don't know how to pronounce it fully. So Instagram is Vlixco, at Vlixco Luxury with 2 Y's at the end, and the WhatsApp is 8613-168845384 or 383. Sorry. So that's all the information for you guys to reach them at, and you should be able to find everything you need from there. So yeah, let's just get right into it. So this is the basic Heron Preston hoodie. Did come in this bag, which is pretty dope. It was a little bit like scratched off at the bottom, but you can see Heron Preston shipping department. This bag is recyclable. Some warning up here of suffocation, as with all bags usually. And you do have this right here, white Heron L shirt, blue multi Heron Preston. That's not the right thing for this, but they do also have a upgrade in quality if you want to pay a little bit more, and everything will be 1-1 with that. I'm not an expert on Heron Preston regardless, but yeah, if it looks good, it looks good. That's the point. So Heron Preston right here says, I guess the website heronpreston.com. And yeah, really nothing much else to go over really in terms of the bag. Just says Heron Preston on the top. And yeah, so let's just get right into the hoodie. So you can, let's see if it has any tags. Like, let's go over the tags. No neck tags. I don't know if it's supposed to have any. I don't believe it is, but yeah. This is the tag it came with. Heron Preston white Heron L shirt blue multi. Again, I don't know if that's the right tag 100%, but yeah, got the Heron Preston logo right there. And then that, I guess it's like a little warning or something, or maybe some wash care instructions. I'm not entirely sure. But on the inside, you do have these tags. These tags feel really premium, actually. Wow. So I guess maybe some wash instructions here. Heron Preston, size M. I guess that's the size. Keep in mind this does fit oversized. So yeah, made in Portugal, Heron Preston. Yeah, everything looks pretty good. Pretty good. So there's the tags right there. Honestly, a pretty dope hoodie. Not gonna lie, I like this hoodie a lot. I've never had anything from Heron Preston, so this is my first piece from them. But I do like it. This is for a friend, not for me, but regardless, yeah. So hoodie is pretty simple. Nothing really much to go over, but I will show you guys every little detail. So on the front, you got 2 herons right here. One on here, one on here. You can see the print does go down to the pockets. Pocket is actually really big. It goes from where you see stitching here all the way to the bottom. Super big pocket. Like I said, this hoodie is supposed to fit oversized, so even though this is a medium, it fits more like an XL. But yeah, got Heron right there in orange, or in black on an orange square. So that's the only real print on the front. Then actually the hoodie, like, quality is really nice. It's like kind of thick, but it's not like super thick, you know. On this side you do have this print right here. I don't know what this is, but yeah, or it's not print, sorry, it's embroidery, and it is embroidered really well as well. There's no connected stitching, nothing like that. It says as unique and independent, a desire to establish as unique and independent. Okay, that's what it says on that one. Also forgot to mention on the tag, it does have this like bungee cord thing. Not really bungee cord, but yeah, it is like a stretchy cord. It's kind of like a hair tie, honestly. It is split at the end. On this sleeve, I actually do recommend, not gonna lie, you guys checking out the site if you do want a new plug that you guys may want to try for clothing. It is definitely good, great quality. So on this sleeve you have Heron Preston, clothes, accessories, experience, storytelling, Heron Preston Creative Ink, made in Italy, authentic, handled with care. Warning, keep away from fire. Okay, obviously. And then there's the embroidery, same deal again. On this side you can see the embroidery quality right there. Great quality. I'm sorry for being shaky, man. Literally just woke up a little bit ago. At least I'm finally better in terms of my cold that I've had for a while now. But yeah, in general, I'm a little shaky here and there, so I don't do drugs literally at all. Smoke weed every now and then, but besides that, nothing crazy. So yeah, there's that. Really nothing much else to go over. Honestly, that's like more or less the details of this hoodie. You do also have this, the drawstring, metal end at the end. Same deal with this one, metal end right there. It does have a little metal part right here as well. Ignore my thumb, I've been picking at it, it's gross, I know. Little loose thread right there. Hoodie seems pretty small, but it is an M as well, so yeah, that's, you know, it's not supposed to be huge. The hoodie itself fits oversized, but not the M, so, or not the hoodie. So the hoodie itself fits oversized, but not the hood is what I meant to say. So if you do end up ordering this, definitely either go true to size if you want your regular size, or go size down if you want just like a fitted look. But yeah, overall you can see the quality of the hoodie. Like even here, stitching's on point, it's all straight, so nothing wrong with that. Same deal with here, it's on point. Got the ribbing right there. Kind of feels similar to a Supreme hoodie, like that really thick, nice quality. It's not flimsy or anything. There's a ribbing on the cuffs. And yeah, man, pretty good stuff, not gonna lie. There's the back. Yeah, nice piece, man. It is a nice piece. Quality is on point. Customer service is great through WhatsApp. Super easygoing guy to talk to about your order if you have any questions. I didn't get any QC pictures, so I'm not sure if they do that regularly for everyone, but at least for my order I didn't get any QC pictures, which is not that big of a deal considering the quality came in proper anyways. But for you guys that like QC pictures, you might be able to ask in advance. But yeah, so that's pretty much it for this hoodie. I am going to be reviewing the Fendi one right next after this video and posting them whenever. So yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. Let me know what you guys think about this hoodie, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. If you're new to my channel, you know what to do. With that being said, hopefully you guys have an awesome day, and like I said, I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Peace.